How's going on, guys? Game Fish, and today I'm making another YouTube video. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you my new YouTube 100 subscriber play button. Yay! Okay, so right now, I'm using my iPad to record. I know the quality is bad. Don't judge me, okay? Yeah, I don't have my laptop right now, so I can't do it. I can't do any videos. I can't edit any of them. So yeah, since I've reached 100 subscribers, this is what I get. Giant play button, but then it looks cool in real life because of this camera. It's low quality. This thing look like yellow, but actually it's green, like neon green. This is black, very black, and yeah, I'm not resist again. So yeah, I'll only get my laptop after 2 weeks. So I just have to work on it with a friend. This is my 100 subscriber program, and yes. So yeah, thank you guys for all the support. I really love them. So yeah, if you this is this program is made by my friend, which is Life Entertainment, which be down the description below. So go and check it out. He'll teach you how to do some paper origami play buttons, and yeah, so I just decorated, and this is how the box looks like. I didn't even decorate it yet. The front, hold on, let me show you some stuff I used to do. I used highlighter, a dolphin highlighter, yeah, and a Sharpie, yes. So yeah, I just covers up, this thing up everywhere, and dent it line, just make it look like it's a touch play button. So yeah, that's all for today, guys, and I will make videos after not 2 weeks because I need to get my laptop back. Yeah, it's under repair right now. So yeah, please be patient with me. Please don't unsubscribe or do anything like that, please. I really love YouTube. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like this flavor. I'll show you how to do it, or I'll just set the link below in the description. My friend will teach you how to do it, and yeah. So see you next time when I make another new video. I know this video quality is bad. Don't judge me, okay? Yeah, that's all. Hope you like it. Yeah. That's all I guess. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope I'll meet you guys next time. As I told you that I can use my laptop or PC or anything right now because it's under repair. I only will get it after 2 weeks. And yeah, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hope you like it. I'll set the link in the description. Go and check it out. Shout out to Sean Name Kid, aka Life Entertainment, his channel name, and yeah, peace.